The Friendship Begins.
Talk of War.
This is a classic game. To play, you need two teams of 6 strong players. The objective of the game is for each team to pull the rope along with the members of the opposition team to their side. As soon as the judge commands pull, each team can start pulling the rope into their territory. This is the game. This is going to be a relay race with two teams of 7 fast runners. The two teams will line up where the judges indicate. On the word go, the first player on each team races to the other end of the field to get the stick. They need to hold the stick upright and place their forehead on top of it. Then, they will run around the stick while keeping their forehead on the stick. The player must spin 8 times around the stick while his or her team counts aloud. Then, he or she is going to run back to their team and tag the next player to do the same thing. The game will go on until every player has finished. First team to finish wins. Warning! You will be very dizzy on your way back, so be careful. Eating contest. This game can get a little messy. There will be 2 teams. Each team must choose 2 classmates to play. The first player will sit at a table with some snacks and his hands behind his back. The second player will stand in front and he will be blindfolded. When the judge blows the whistle, the blindfolded player will feed the other player as fast as possible. The team to finish the snacks first must whistle that indicates that it is the winning group. Don't forget to cheer for your team. Couples race. This is a timed race with 3 stages. Each team must choose 3 couples. When the whistle blows, the first couple will start the race. They must put on some hula hoops and run to the first stage. Here, they will receive a challenge. They must stand apart and one player will throw balloons with water to the other. They must collect 3 balloons in a bucket. Then, they must pop each balloon by giving each other a tie hug. Once completed, the second couple must be ready to put on the hula hoops and run to the second stage. Third, they will receive a second challenge. They must jump rope together and complete 7 full jumps. Once completed, the third couple must put on the hula hoops and run fast to do the last stage. The challenge here is to take a bite of the prize that is hanging on the string from a pole. For this, you will have to carry your partner, so be prepared. The 3 couples who complete the race in less time wins. Wet sponge. Again, there will be 2 teams of 7 players. Each team will line up and sit on the floor. At the front, they will have a sponge and a bucket of water. At the back, there is an empty bucket. You must fill the empty bucket by wetting the sponge and passing it over your head to the last teammate, who will squeeze the water out to fill the bucket. The first team to fill the bucket wins. Volleyball. For this game, there will be 2 teams of 6 players, 3 boys and 3 girls. When the referee blows the whistle, the game begins. Each team must try to score as many points possible. The first team to win 2 sets of 9 points each wins. Always remember to respect the referee. Balloon stomp. Once again, there will be 2 teams of 6 players in a ring. Each player will get a balloon tied to his or her ankle. The goal is to be the only person or the only team with an unpopped balloon still attached when the game ends. Careful, don't run outside the ring and don't allow your balloon to be popped. Also, Try not to fall. Your hands must stay at all times behind your back. Let the games begin.